Hey everyone, I am Laramie Utuhan Alia, 21 years old, presently residing in Ditulan, Dumingag, Zamboanga del Sur. I'm a third-year college student of J.H. Sorelli State College, Dumingag Campus, taking up Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Crop Science. At this time, I want to present to you an article entitled Energy Balance of Sunflower Production with the author of is Akdimer, C. Cavalaris, and T. Gemtos. Introduction. The aim of the present study was to make an energy analysis of sunflower crop in the Trakya region of Turkey, to evaluate the potential for using it as a bioenergy source. We know that sunflower is the main essential crop oil in the Turkey region. Energy analysis is an important tool to evaluate the energy efficiency of production system. In agriculture, it can offer an in-depth knowledge of the energy flows and can reveal more energy efficient cropping practices. It is therefore important to make the analysis of the existing system as a basis to improve their efficiency. There is no standard methodology established for this analysis. Energy crops have been produced in Greece and Turkey because their profitability is higher than cereals. Government give support for growing energy crops. The aim of the present study was to make energy analysis for sunflower crop in Trakya region and to investigate the potential to use it as an energy crop. Materials and methods. Table 1. The data about field operation, speed, time, manpower, agricultural machinery size, and etc. were obtained from a big local farm which has 6,045 hectare production area including different size parcel for sunflower production. So this is the table includes the that I really mentioned above. The Table 2. The data were collected from three main cultivation areas of Trakya, the Tikurdag, Iderni, and Kirklarili, that cultivated 300,226 hectare with total annual production of 682,583 tons of seed. This is the table of Table 2. Next is Table 3, indirect energy consumption of field operation. This is the Table 3. Table 4, direct energy consumption for field operation. Table 5, consumable goods energy consumption. This is the Table 5. Next is the results and discussion. Table 6 shows an analysis of the energy inputs for the sunflower production. Plowing was among the most intensive field operation and accounted for 1,576 mg hectare, almost half of the total energy spent for tillage operations. So, this is the Table 6. Table 7 shows the energy budgets for the sunflower production for the two alternative scenarios. The first one for using only the seeds for bioenergy production while the stalks remain in the field, and the second for using both seeds and stalks as a bioenergy stock material. This is the Table 7. Conclusion. From the presented results, the following conclusion can be drawn. First is sunflower as an energy crop shows good adaptation to the climatic conditions of the Trakya region where no irrigation is required. It presents positive energy balance. Therefore, it is a suitable energy crop candidate for the region. Number 2, fertilization was the most energy-intensive input in sunflower production at the Trakya region, and soil tillage by using moldboard plow was the second one. Third, the use of the crop residues improved significantly the energy balance. And the last, the energy efficiency was 3 7.67 when only the seed is used and increased to 7.34 when the stocks were included. These are the references of the study. Thank you for listening.